KC Adventures Worldwide, here with the top 5 coffee shops in District 7 of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. First, a word about the role of coffee in Vietnam. It is not merely a beverage. It is, in fact, an experience to be savored. If invited to have coffee with someone in Vietnam, be prepared to devote a couple of hours to relaxed conversation with a new friend. Takeaway is available, but lingering is recommended. And now, with no further ado, KC Adventures Worldwide is proud to present its list of the top 5 coffee shops in District 7, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Much of the footage in this video was shot during our 5th and 6th visits to Vietnam. My wife Marcia is my traveling companion, and I could not hope for a better one. She is always up for whatever opportunities arise, and she loves our morning coffee routine as much as I do. District 7 makes a great base of operations for our travels in the region, and we have made many friends here. In our evaluation, we took several things into consideration. Obviously, the quality of the coffee drink served was a primary factor, but we also took into account such things as ambiance, location, unique features, and value. Although District 7 is an affluent area, we found the establishments to be budget-friendly, in keeping with Vietnam's reputation for stretching tourism dollars. Number 5 on our countdown is the Skymian Premium Coffee Shop, located on a busy street corner on a well-traveled street. Skymian offers a full lunch and supper menu to complement its coffee offerings and spacious indoor and outdoor seating. Evenings, especially weekends, will often feature live entertainment or karaoke, but the biggest reason Skymian makes our top 5 list is the outdoor area and its most unique feature, a revolving display of live birds. Be sure to choose a table close by if you are in the mood for a serenade. The Coffee House is a chain with locations throughout Ho Chi Minh City. The District 7 location is right across from the Sky Garden apartment and retail complex, and its pleasant ambience and friendly employees place it at number 4 on our list. We love our stays in Vietnam for so many reasons, mainly because of the friendliness of the Vietnamese people, but as I mentioned earlier, we also love the prices. It's easy to stretch your money here, especially if you convert your dollars into Vietnam dong. Coffee drinks here at the coffee shop are comparable to the others on our list. My Americano was 45,000 Vietnam dong, which sounds like a lot, until you convert it into US dollars and discover that it is about $1.75. Marcia's latte was 55,000 Vietnam dong, or about $2.15, less than $4 for both of us. While it is slowly becoming more customary, tipping is not expected for the most part. A while ago, I made the decision to add a gratuity for my servers and grab drivers, so our delicious morning coffee treat set us back $5 for both of us, or about what a small beverage for one would run in the US. Speaking of Grab, it is the Vietnamese version of Uber. Be on the lookout for a future video explaining how to use Grab and to get anywhere you want to go in Ho Chi Minh City. The Tropical Fruits Cafe, located at the corner of Pham Van Nhi and Cao Trao Phat streets, weighs in at number 3 on our list of the top 5 places to get your morning coffee in District 7 of Ho Chi Minh City. As the name suggests, the Tropical Fruits Cafe specializes in refreshing fruit drinks and smoothies. But in the early morning, coffee takes center stage, and the cafe is a very popular gathering place for the locals. The cafe is an independent business. If you're looking for an authentic Vietnamese-style coffee shop, look no further than the Tropical Fruits Cafe. The Artisan claims the number 2 spot on our list. Artisan is a chain that seeks to tap into the lingering French influence in Vietnam, a vestige of the colonial period when the region was known as French Indochina. While Vietnam long ago threw off the shackles of colonialism, a fondness remains for French cuisine and especially for French baked goods. The Artisan, with its pleasant outdoor seating on a less traveled street and a quiet section of District 7, hits all the high notes, especially when it comes to the dazzling array of pastries and breakfast items, all reasonably priced. If you're looking for more than just morning coffee, the Artisan is the place to indulge that craving. My personal favorite is the large slice of bread with egg, bacon, and hash browns baked right in. The breakfast pizza runs a close second. Well, we've almost made it to number 1 on our list, but first, a little preview of our upcoming video highlighting the lovely and historic island destination of Vietnam's Con Dao Island, home to our honorable mention early morning coffee haven. This little nugget is located on quiet Le Van Lung Street, a few blocks inland, not far from Con Dao's busy market. The cafe features both indoor and very pleasant outdoor seating. The temperature on Con Dao is quite moderate for southern Vietnam due to the balmy breezes coming off the South China Sea. The coffee shop has a piano in the indoor seating area, very nice for musical guests who might be inclined to play some relaxing music. My early morning coffee run netted me a latte for my lovely bride and an Americano for me. A very nice touch is the handmade twine holders that they provide for takeaway. Be sure to stay tuned for the upcoming video devoted to exploring the lovely and historically rich Con Dao Island. And at last, the moment has come. The cup, located at 43 High Tap, has earned its status as number 1 on our list for a myriad of reasons. American expatriates staying in District 7 with a craving for a taste of home can enjoy hearty American-style breakfasts along with familiar comfort foods such as burgers, fries, chicken and grilled cheese sandwiches. Indulge your sweet tooth with awesome and authentic American desserts, which of course just beg to be accompanied by a cup of their celebrated coffee. But the cup is so much more than a coffee shop and cafe. What really makes this place shine is the diversity of activities and opportunities to connect with the Vietnamese and other residents of this bustling 9 million plus city of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The cup features special speaking rooms manned by English-speaking staff members and volunteers and draws Vietnamese residents from all over Ho Chi Minh City with the opportunity to practice conversational English. Marcia and I have spent many hours in these rooms during our stays in Vietnam over the years and have forged lifelong friendships and bonds. Through the miracle of social media, we're able to maintain these bonds even when half a world away, grateful to renew and strengthen those bonds when we return. While the Skymian offers karaoke, the cup goes one better by featuring occasional musical performances by visiting musicians on their rooftop concert venue. Check out this guy. And that's a wrap. I hope that you have enjoyed our countdown of the top 5 places to indulge in the time-tested traditional Vietnamese coffee experience in District 7 of Ho Chi Minh City, and that your travels will soon bring you to this vibrant, bustling corner of the world to check them out for yourself. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to support me one step further, please consider subscribing to my channel and be on the watch for upcoming videos. There are several in the works, with more about the developing music scene at the Cup, tricks and tips for the expatriate in Vietnam, a tutorial on how to easily get around using Grab, the Asian region version of Uber, as well as the fascinating history of Con Dao Island. KC Adventures Worldwide, signing off.